Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify peak clipping prevention with limiter in Audition step by step clearly. Open Adobe Audition and load the audio track you want to work on. Select the track in the multi-track editor. Go to the effects rack on the left side. Find an empty slot and click to add an effect. Scroll down to the amplitude and compression category. Select hard limiter from the list. Adjust the input boost if necessary to ensure the audio level is high enough. Set the limit max amplitude to your desired level, typically around -1 dB. Enable the look ahead time to allow the limiter to process the audio effectively. Set the look ahead time, usually between 1 to 5 milliseconds is sufficient. Check the release time setting, adjusting it for a natural sound, often between 50 to 100 milliseconds. Toggle the preview to listen to how the limiter affects your audio. Watch for any signs of peak clipping in the waveform display. If clipping occurs, further adjust the limit max amplitude or input levels. Once satisfied, click Apply to finalize the effect. Listen to the entire track to ensure the limiter is functioning as intended. Make additional adjustments if necessary for optimal sound. Save your project to keep all changes intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.